Modus Orbit Plus. The Mode Orbit Plus is going to take your fitness activities to the next level. This is a fitness hula hoop that will not fall down, is portable, and will keep you in shape. This hoop is completely adjustable, so that it will fit nearly anyone. It helps work more than 30 core muscles all at once so that you can stay fit and active with minimal effort. It offers a display to keep track of how many revolutions you've completed so that you can work out more efficiently. One XPlayer. The new One XPlayer is a new type of portable game console that will let you take virtually any game you can imagine along with you wherever you go. The system offers an HD screen that is 8.4 inches, so that you'll be able to clearly see any text or animations. It offers unsurpassed gaming performance in such a tiny package. There are several models to choose from, each of which has a different processor. The lowest model includes an Intel i51135G7. The next model includes an Intel i71165G7. This handheld runs Windows 10 so that you can play all your favorite modern games. Pix Animated Backpack. A company known as Pix has brought Pixel backpacks to Amazon, giving you a really cool way to express yourself and your individuality. You could create your own pixel artwork and display it on your backpack. You can also share art with friends, allowing you to have matching bags. You can create the artwork on your smartphone with a limitless number of customization possibilities. The size of this bag also makes it perfect for most laptops, books, or other valuables that you may need to carry around. You can load pictures, animations, widgets, or even play games on the bag using nothing but the included app and your smartphone. Fingerbot Plus. A Fingerbot is a new type of smart device that can help you manage various electronics in your home using Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. This tiny robot can attach to any wall in your home, mounting just beneath the light switch or any other standard switch. You can pair the bot with Alexa, so that when you say something like "Alexa, turn off the light," the switch will activate and turn off the light for you. You can even use this bot on other appliances and switches such as a coffee pot, oven, or toaster. The new Plus model Fingerbot brings all sorts of new features. The new Fingerbot Plus offers more compatibility with more light switches. It also has built-in touch controls. It can install in seconds, and the battery will last up to 8 months. Clean Touch. With the world being in such a strange place right now, we're all doing our best to stay clean and healthy. That Clean Touch device will help us do this more effectively. This tiny device prevents you from ever having to touch a door or keypad. While you're in public, you can use it as a stylus to touch the ATM or cash register. You can even use it to open handles on doors. It offers a lock turner as well, so you can lock doors behind you without getting your hands dirty. On top of this, it even has a built-in box opener and screwdriver. This handy tool was created using antimicrobial brass so that you never need to use harsh chemicals. Couch Coaster. Chilling on a couch is one of the best parts of the day for many people. However, it can be difficult to keep up with your beverage if you only have access to a coffee table. This normally involves you leaving your comfortable lounger, though the Couch Coaster can help, giving you instant access to a cup holder on virtually any couch. This product is designed with weighted silicone that can easily wrap around any couch. The silicone offers enough grip to keep the cup holder from sliding, making it perfect for securing your beverage and keeping it from spilling out. This product is machine washable, making it super easy to keep clean. It will wrap around virtually any couch or chair, giving you a cup holder wherever you go. 7&Me. This is a unique coffee maker that can create espresso at home in as little as 3 minutes. A single button control allows you to start your coffee without having to worry about random dials, touch screens, or any complicated controls. Just press start and wait. There's even an automated milk frothier so that you can cream your coffee with ease. A reusable filter will keep you from making unnecessary trips to the store, and the built-in computer chip lets you program up to 5 presets, depending on what kind of coffee you'd like, or who is using the coffee maker. You can make coffee using capsules or freshly ground beans, giving you many options to choose from. There are obvious fill lines to follow depending on what kind of coffee you want. so you can create the perfect cup of joe every time. Mayo armband. Thalmic Labs has created a brand new armband that was designed specifically for presentations and gesture controls. This device will easily fit on your arm and allow you to take full control of your Windows or Mac computer so that you can scroll through your presentations without needing to lift a finger. It works with apps like PowerPoint, Keynote, Prezi, Google Slides, Adobe PDF, and more. Aside from controlling your presentations, you can even control Netflix and iTunes games and map out different gestures to carry out certain keystrokes. The Mayo armband supports Bluetooth functionality up to 50 feet away, so it is perfect for almost any room or office. All you need to do is slip the armband onto your arm, pair it to your favorite device, and let the technology do the hard work for you. JHo Nibs Nug. JHo has created a new style of knife known as the Nug. This tiny knife has everything you need to carry out your daily activities without the use of a traditional pocket knife. These knives are bead blast, stone washed, and coated in titanium. The design of the newer Nug models has been improved and now uses a ball-bearing system. The blade sticks out just enough to make sharpening easy yet keeps your fingers safe from accidental blade swipes. These knives are created using premium Japanese steel that is built to last and will not break down over time. You can find these knives on the JHo website, and they come in both black and white colors. Chubby Buttons 2. Control your everyday tasks from the palm of your hand comfortably with the Chubby Buttons 2 wearable Bluetooth remote. It comes with a nano-suction layer that sticks to any smooth surface. Additionally, the nano-suction layer contains millions of tiny suction cups. These will enable Chubby Buttons to stick to any smooth surface around the house. These could be any surface such as tiles, mirrors, windows, or even metal. In fact, the ultra-thin design is reusable and washable. This remote comes with big, easy press buttons, designed for gloved hands. So whether it's riding on the road or in the mountains, this remote can help you go through your tasks with ease. When you don't want it on your hands, you can also remove the armband and stick Chubby to flat surfaces with its nano suction backing.